Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can write blog post on Blogger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Blogger and you need to log in into your Blogger account. So it will take few seconds. Okay, so now I am in my Blogger and here you can see I posted 3 posts. So how you can write blog? So you simply need to click on new post, click here, and here you need to add title, and here you need to write your blog post. So I'm going to show you a sample. So let me select here composer view. Okay, and if you want you can make text bigger from here. If you want you can bold, italic, everything you can do from here. If you want you can insert a photo from here, video from here, and you can add into the category from here. You can publish by clicking on this button. So this is the easy process by which you can write blog post on Blogger. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.